Hi everybody, this is Mark Schuyler. I'm here today to talk to you about the golden rules of algebra. You know, I've been teaching SAT prep, which of course includes the math section. And in the math section, there are a little bit more questions about algebra than there are about geometry. It's been estimated that about 50% of the questions are on algebra, about 33 to 40% on geometry, and 10 to 15% on miscellaneous other concepts. So we need to know our algebra really, really well. And I found that knowing the 3 golden rules of algebra goes a long way. In fact, next time you're stumped on an SAT math question, think about these. Consciously go back and review those 3 golden rules. Chances are that you will be able to solve the problem if you go back and look, can I do any one of these 3 things? So you can get past that stuck point. Golden rule number 1. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And I'm sure you were able to complete that sentence. What's golden rule number 2? Combine like terms. I'm sure you were able to complete that one. Anybody who has sat through even a halfway decent Algebra 1 class, let alone gone through some Algebra 2, knows how to complete that statement. And finally, the 3rd golden rule of algebra. Think about it for a second before I blurt it out. Follow the order of operations. I'm sure you were able to finish the 3rd one. But sometimes when we're in the midst of a complicated SAT math problem, we lose sight of those 3 golden rules of algebra. And if you remember them, if you consciously go back to them, sometimes you realize, oh my God, I still have x's on the left side and an x on the right side. I need to combine these terms. So where am I getting this phrase, the golden rules of algebra, from? In a way, I'm modeling it on the golden rule of life. I'm sure your mama's taught you the golden rule of life. Do unto others as you would have done unto you. It's somewhat reminiscent of whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. I hope that this lesson, brief as it was, will help you on your test. It's funny how Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 are big concepts. You can sit in those classes for 2 years and learn things. But in the end, a lot of it boils down to those 3 fundamentals. Apply them and raise your score. Thanks a lot for listening.